Welcome to all. Let us solve most expected question from the applications of derivative chapter. Okay, a question is given like this. From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 and 80, 4 equal squares of side x centimeters are removed at the corners and then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. Okay, find the value of x so that the volume of the box is greatest. See, rectangular sheet is like this. Okay, we will remove a square from each corner. Okay, then we have to fold it to rectangular box. A sweet box we have to make so that we can keep we should have maximum volume and we can keep maximum sweets like that. Okay, that we have to find. See, first we have to write given. What is given for us? Okay, given dimensions of rectangular rectangular sheet. Okay, given length and breadth of a rectangular sheet are 80 and 30 centimeters respectively. See, given also will carry marks, so we have to write. Next, what they have done, square of side x are removed at each corner, that will write. Let square of side length x centimeters are removed at the corners. Okay, this is what they have given. Now it is turned to rectangular box. See, open rectangular box. Now you should know the dimensions of open rectangular box. Now dimensions of open rectangular box. What are the dimensions? We'll see. You see, it is cuboid shape, no? Length, breadth, height will be there. Length, how we will get? See, this side x is reduced. So what will be? Total length is 80. Then what will be this? It is 80 minus twice x. Therefore, length of the open rectangular box is 80 minus 2x. Next we'll come to breadth. Breadth also same. Twice x is reduced from 30. Now height. See, we have folded here, no? That height will be x only, no? So x centimeters. So height of the rectangular box is x centimeters. Now we can calculate volume. Volume of open rectangular box is volume of cuboid formula, length into breadth into height. Here length what we got? 80 minus twice x. Breadth 30 minus twice x. Height x. Okay. This let us consider as f of x. Let f of x be 80 minus twice x, 30 minus twice x times x. So what we will get f of x? See, we have to find the product, no? 80 times 30, so 2400, that x also will multiply. Next, here 80 times 2x, that is 160 times x, x into x square, minus c here. Next, minus 60 times x square, minus into minus plus 4 x square and one more x is there, x cube. So what we are going to get? Here like terms we can add 2400 times x minus, if we add this, 220 times x square plus 4 times x cube. So here what is the common factor? 4 is there, we can take common. Okay, 4 if you take common, x cube I'll write first. Next minus here 4 5 is 20, again 4 5 is 20, x, even x also we can take common, no, 4 times x we can take common, then x cube minus 55x and plus here if you take 4 common 600. We are going to get this expression for volume. Now see what we have to do. See, we have to find maximum means we have to apply second derivative test. For that first we have to differentiate it twice. So first we'll differentiate and find f dash x. Differentiate with respect to xc. So f dash x is 4x if we differentiate, or this function you can differentiate if you are having any confusion. Okay, 2400 x if we differentiate 1, 220 times x square if we differentiate 2x, 4 times x cube, I am writing constant aside, x cube if we differentiate 3 times x square. Now what we are going to get f dash x, 2400 minus 440 times x plus 12 times x square. Now also same thing, we have to take 4 common only, same thing we will get. 4 if you take common, okay, what we will get, 3 times x square minus 110 times x plus 600. Okay, now we got f dash x. Here we can find the stationary points. See, stationary points we can find. When we will find stationary points can be obtained when f dash x is 0. That is 4 times 3x square minus 110x plus 600 is 0. See here what we can do, 4 we can divide with 4 so that we have to find the factors for this quadratic equation. Okay, now we have to find the factors for 600, see, so that the sum is 110. How we can get, wait, we have to find the factors for, here not it is a monic quadratic equation, we have to multiply these two things. So 1800 x square we have to find, so that when we add 100 and minus 110 we should get. So what are the factors? 90 and 20c. Okay, minus 90 and minus 20x. Minus 90x minus 20x. If we add them, we'll get minus 110x. And when we multiply them, minus into minus plus, 90 into 20, 1800, x into x, x square. So we have to split the middle term. 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600. See, minus 90 minus 20 minus 110. I have not done any change. So now first two terms what we can take common? 3x we can take common. So x minus 30 will be there. Here also will get the same factor. What we have to take common means minus 20. So in these two terms what is common? X minus 30. So what will be the other factor? 3x minus 20. So we got the factors. Okay. Now we can find the zeros, no? What are the zeros? One zero is x equal to 30 and another zero is 3x minus 20. That means x equal to, directly will write, x equal to 20 upon 3 will get. See, earlier what we got, the breadth, 30 minus twice x, no? If we take 30, what happens? The breadth will be, breadth of the rectangular box will be 30 minus twice x means here 30 minus 60, so minus 30 will get. See, here length cannot be negative, no? This can be neglected. Okay, neglect this. So what we have to take? X equal to 20 by 3 we have to take, and we have to check whether it is maximum or minimum. For that, what we have to do? Again, we have to differentiate this function f dash x. We have to differentiate one more time. Second derivative we have to find. Okay, this you can name them 1 or 2. Now differentiate f dash x with respect to x. So what we are going to get, we'll see. F double dash x we will get, okay, constant if you differentiate 0, minus 440 x if you differentiate 1, plus 12 times x square if you differentiate 2x we will get. Okay, now what we are going to get? Minus 440 plus, or we can take 12 common also if you want, 24x. Okay, now see, we have to check whether it is negative or positive, so that we'll find whether we'll get maximum or minimum. Okay, 440 plus x we already found, x equal to 20 by 3 we substitute, 3 1s are 3 8s are, so minus 440 plus what we are going to get here, 160. So minus 440, 160 means we have to subtract 8 it is, this will be 3, 280. So minus 280 like that we are getting. Okay. So it is negative, no? That means it is less than 0. When f double dash x is less than 0, by second derivative test, this will have f of x is maximum, at which at the stationary point x equal to 20 upon 3. Therefore, what will be the side length? If the volume has to be the greatest, the side length should be 20 upon 3c. Therefore, we have to write our conclusion. Then only it is finished. Okay, just we have to write the conclusion. The problem is going to finish. Therefore, f of x is maximum at x equal to 20 upon 3. Therefore, required length is 20 upon 3c. And units, what are the units? Centimeters. If you reduce that square part with side length 20 upon 3 from each corner, then we will get a rectangular, open rectangular box with maximum volume, so that you can keep maximum sweets. Okay. The business or sales we will apply this. See, we are applying derivatives there. These are the applications of derivatives. Thanks for watching.